Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings, where the sun meets the gentle stroke of pencil, creating enchanting sceneries in the West. Join me on a visual journey as we explore the warmth of sunlight blending with the artistry of pencil strokes. Let's dive into the world of intricate details and captivating landscapes. Embrace the allure of nature's beauty as we embark on a creativity odyssey through sun-west pencil sceneries. In the artistic heaven, discover the magic of shadows dancing under the sun's golden glow, meticulously brought to life through the tip of a pencil. Join me in unraveling the stories whispered by each stroke, where art and sunlight converge. Don't miss out on the mesmerizing fusion of imagination and reality. Join Inspire Art Linkings on a mesmerizing journey through the world of landscape pencil art. Immerse yourself in a delicate strokes and intricate details that brings nature to life on paper. From serene mountainscapes to enchanting forests, Inspire Art Linkings transport you to picturesque realms where every line tells a story. Explore the fusion of creativity and nature as Inspire Art Linkings breathes life into landscapes with her unique pencil artistry. If you like this video, subscribe to Inspire Art Linkings for a symphony of visual delights. Let's paint with pencils and dance with sunlight together. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.